Hello everyone, welcome to Mthobisi Mhlongo's Mathematics and Physical Science YouTube channel. And in today's episode, we're doing a very short question, but one of the most important questions, which is question 4 that deals with functions. Now, in this question, it was just a question with about, I think it's just the 4 marks, and only one graph whereby they stated the characters of the graph or the function and with 3 questions stated. Now, let's look at it in detail. Consider the function h of x, which is equals to ax squared plus c, where a is greater than 0 and the range is y greater or equal to -4. Now, basically, they've told you how the graph looks like. And the type of the graph that they're talking about here is a quadratic function. Now, write down the value of c. C would be from the range all the way up. So as it is given, now this is 4.1, we're given that y is greater or equal to -4, which means this graph starts from -4 and goes all the way upwards, or -4 is its turning point. So therefore, if you want c from y is equal to ax squared plus c, as given in the question, c would be -4. So since y is equals to q, I don't think I should call it q. I can say y is equals to c, y is equals to c, which is equal to -4. Now, 4.2. 4.2, they're asking us to sketch the graph of h and clearly indicate the intercept with the axis. Now, you only know one thing here. You only know c, but you can tell the direction by the value of a. They told us here that a is greater than 0. That means our graph is a smiley face, or it's a cup shape. So if you want to draw this graph, you'd have to put into a Cartesian plane and just put in our value -4 here and label the axis y and x, and then we just draw a graph, and because there's no other values that are given, so this would be enough for 2 marks to just show this is where the graph is and this is where the graph is turning point. And then last question, how should h be transformed so that the new graph will have a y-intercept at 0 and still have a minimum turning point? Now, you want to move this graph from here to here. That means you will have to do what? 4.3, you'll have to shift the graph 4 units up or upwards. And that will be the end of our short question. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.